All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my 16 by 20 canvas pick one. This is number 4. I believe that's number 4. Let me just make sure. Number 3. Sorry, we haven't got to a number 4 yet, so we're gonna change that to number 3. All right, there we go. Check the time, January 11th at 2:44 p.m. I'm gonna go over to the raffle and type live. And we have January 11th at 2:44 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ryan. Spot 10 is your winner. So Ryan, please PM me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, January 11th, 2:44 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.